Hello and welcome to my unboxing of Abaddon the Despoiler, Warmaster of Chaos from Warhammer 40,000. This guy will be the general of my Black Legion army. Well, let's open it up. And voila! Whoops. Now what is this? Ooh, pretty. I've never seen that come with a miniature before. That's pretty badass. And we got the read this first assembly guide. And some rules in different languages, and the painting guide. This is a pretty large base for a single guy. And a single sprue. Let's take a look at it. And that's it. I can't wait to get this guy painted. Thank you so much for watching.